Today I am repurposing an alcohol ink coaster. It actually already has a resin coat on it, but I can still add the Luxe WaterFX. The technique here is just adding acrylics with Floetrol, and then I just dripped it right into my cup of Non Toxic LUXE WaterFX. Give it a little swirl and then pour right out. And then you can just do a little bit of tilting. Don't over tilt, or you're gonna lose your beautiful waves. Just a little here and there. And then I go at it again. Just drizzle tiniest little bit into my WaterFX, give it a little swirl. This is so fun, so relaxing. Just enjoy the moment of it. It's a nice small project. Repurposing is so fun with the Luxe WaterFX. It dries looking wet, just like that, and that's it. WynnModernArt.com.